Welcome back. This time we are going to create a slider and it will be Vibecom caption slider. So we are going to create a new slider from in the sliders tab, add new. So we're going to go to create slider meta box, enable it, and the default one is Vibecom caption slider. That's what we're going to use. So we'll do some custom settings. Of course, if we don't fill it, it will take the default values from Vibe options panel. Next, we are going to create slides. So notice that when we select this, we have few plus icons beside the caption. These are primarily the animation style. So the effect, whether we want the caption heading to come from top, from left or bottom in the animation. Displacement, it's in pixels. So let's say we want to show heading from coming from the top with 30% displacement and in 600 milliseconds, and we'll add easing. So similarly, these settings we have to do for caption text and caption action as well. If we leave them blank, they won't be shown on the slide. So then we choose some image from our media library. Okay, so I'm going to do all these settings and create a slider. Okay, so I've done all the settings here and created the slider. Next we are going to publish it. Publish. So we note the caption sliders ID, that is 671, and we're going to include in some post. Okay, so to include the slider, all we have to do is simply select the shortcode from here, slider, add the ID 671. We can give it a style, so whatever style you like. So we can choose, let's say, another elegant shadow, and then we say update. So when we see, it's going to come up here. We see the shadows first. So there we have our caption slider. See, so all the settings that we did, that easing and the left in or the top in appearance of the heading, the paragraph or the action button here, so they are following it. So that's it.